In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt on this Ram 1500. This happens to be on the 3.6 liter V6 engine. Let's get into it. We're going to take the serpentine belt off. I'm going to use a 3/8 extension. Loosen the tension on the tensioner. Slide the belt off. Slide it off the alternator. Then you can release the tensioner. You take the belt off the crank, off the water pump, and off the AC compressor. Slide that out of the way. Now take the belt. I'm going to go over the AC compressor, around the water pump, around the crankshaft pulley, up over the tensioner, and back over the alternator. And over the idler. I'm going to take it off the water pump. We're going to go around the alternator first, on the top here. Try to get this lined up. Take the tension off. There we go. And line it up. So it's a lot easier to go over the water pump with it than the other pulleys. Make sure that's all lined up. Looks good. Yeah, that all looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.